Hi there, it's Adam here at Fordingtons in Hexham, and today I'm showing you around this 70 plate Suzuki Swift 1.2 Attitude, finished in speedy blue metallic with a contrasting diamond cut alloy wheels. And the Attitude edition was a limited edition, which is like an accessory pack. You see the front and side and rear skirts all carbon effect. Really nice size boot space on these. The other added extras are the rear upper spoiler. The diamond cut alloy wheels weren't as standard at the time when the Attitudes came out either. Got daytime and auto headlamps, touch screen with reversing camera, aircon, also has SAT-NAV and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And the front and the front grille carbon effect. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to get in touch, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Bye now.